Okay guys, so this is how the box packaging of the 333 ANC actually looks. Right now I'm gonna unbox it, and this actually comes like this. As you can see, we have the 333 ANC in this chrome kind of font, and we have the Rockerz mentioned, of course. We have the crystal bionic sound, we have the ANC up to 25 dB, and we have the 13mm driver, so that's a really big driver, I would say. In this side we have this sound that matters written, and this is how the back side actually looks. ENX technology for the calling and stuff, and we have the total playtime of 24 hours, and here we have the ASAP charging, IPX4 water resistance, Bluetooth version 5.2, instant voice assistant, power saver mode, magnetic buds, and everything is mentioned. 10 minutes charging means just like 5 hours of playtime, and yes, we know that the boat headsets charges really quick. That's not an issue. And here we have the package details, and of course I'm gonna unbox it. So this is how the packaging looks like. I would say it's a really cool looking box. It's a matte black box, and everywhere it's just black. And here we have the seal on the bottom, and here in the front section we have the boat logo. So let's just cut this seal open. This seems like a magnetic kind of box, yes. And once we open the packaging, we have this Rockerz 333 ANC written over here. That's just beautiful. And here we have the instruction to power it on and stuff. This is just a paper. The packaging this time really seems amazing. And yes, I have unboxed both headphones earlier, but here I would say the packaging has improved quite a lot. And I have ordered it in the black color. So here we have the headphones, and you can actually get them out really easily. Let's just keep these headphones to the side, and let's see what else do we get. Plastic packet, if you tear it open. So again we have this boat head sticker, warranty card, I would say. That's just a brochure, I guess, for other boat products. And here this is a user manual for the boat Rockerz 333 ANC. And here we have two pair of extra ear tips, as you are noticing, the large size and the smaller size ear tips, I would say, and the media ones are already fitted in the headphones. And of course we also get a USB-A to Type-C cable, as this headset does have a Type-C charging port. So right now let's take a closer look at the headset, and here, as the headset I have ordered is in black and red color, this is how it looks. And here these parts are metal, if you are noticing, and on this side too it's metal. And here let me actually compare it quickly with my boat Rockerz 335 that I have been using all along. And if you're noticing, this part actually looks a little bit thicker than this one, and the quality of this seems a little different to me, but it might be similar. And here this is how it looks side by side with the blue one of the 335, and this is the 333 ANC, the newer one. And if you're noticing, these are 10mm drivers and these are 13mm drivers. Just notice the difference, and the size is actually big, I can say, and I'll wear it later, but let me show you. The wires over here are braided, if you're noticing, on the 333, but on the 330, which is available in Amazon, that too have ANC, but that one does not have braided cable. But yes, this gunmetal color I am liking over here of the ear tips or the earbuds, and this red kind of accent really gives it a really amazing feel. And here we have this magnets, of course it attaches with the magnets, and they look beautiful. There is R or right mentioned over here, and there should be L, and yes, as you can see, there is L mentioned over here. Kinda looks like it's a little bit transparent, and yes, I feel it's a little bit transparent over there. And yes, there is the ANC button, there is the minus button, there is the middle or main function button, and the plus button, and there is the mic. And we have the Type-C port right here. You can open this flap, and of course you get the Type-C port just like this. Right now let me just open the Bluetooth settings on my device and click on pair a new device, and here I'll just hold this middle button, and I see a red light, so that means it's in pairing mode, I guess. And here it has appeared, if you're noticing, Rockerz 333 ANC. So let's just tap on it. And in the settings of this, you will also have the AAC codec, if you're noticing, and I'll give it a listen for a couple of hours and I'll be back. Also, this is how the joints of the headsets looks like. It has this red rubber over here, and of course the cable is braided on this 333 ANC. This is how it looks, and I hope the joints will last a long time. But these magnets, I feel, is not that strong. it's a little like flimsy, I would say, the magnets. And if I just touch it like this, it comes off. So yes, the magnets this time does not feel that much strong, which might be a good thing if you don't like it too much strong way. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And this rubber quality is really good. You can just like put this in your pocket and stuff if you want to, just like this. Right now, let's talk about the button functions. What are these? And yes, I'm gonna be starting with the power on. And of course, for the powering on of the headset, you just need to press this middle button for 3 seconds. It will power on and connect to the device if you pair it with your device, of course. And to power it off, you just need to hold this middle button, the main function button, for about 5 seconds. It will show a red light and then it will power off. Now, of course, to play and pause the music, you just need to press this middle button. If you're noticing that it's playing right now, and here if I tap this middle button again, as you can see, the music has been paused. And once you are playing music, you can just tap the plus button. It should actually, as you can see, it is controlling the volume right now with the plus and minus button. And each time the headset powers on and connects to the device, it will actually go into the normal mode, which is not ANC or not ambient sound. So from that mode, if you tap on this ANC button once, it will go into the ANC mode. It will say that ANC mode turned on or something. And then if you press it one more time, the ANC button, I mean, it will go into the transparency mode. So that's cool. And if you press it one more time, it will go into the normal mode, which is not ANC or not ambient sound. That's just a normal headset mode or power saving mode, you can say. And if you press this middle button twice quickly, it will actually go into direct sound mode, which is actually a really high quality sound. And of course, to answer or cut a call, you just use this middle button to receive, or just double press the middle button twice to actually reject a call. And for changing tracks, actually, you just need to like play the music, of course. And from there, you just tap and hold on the plus button for 1 second. And as you can see, it goes to the next song. And if you want to go to the previous song, you just press and hold on this minus button. As you can see, it switches to the previous song. And if you want to clear the pair list or reset this Bluetooth headset, you have to press and hold this plus and minus button for 5 seconds. It will glow the light in red and white, I guess. Then you can go into the pairing mode and you can repair the device. And if you want to toggle Google Assistant on your device, you just need to press the middle button thrice. As you are noticing, there is the Google Assistant popping out on the device. And once you are charging the device with the Type-C port over here, it will show a red LED while it's charging. Once the charging is done, it will turn into white. And you can check the specs if you are willing to from right here. If you're noticing, this headset has 220 mAh of battery. It's listed over here. Also, you can check the other specs if you want to from right here from this user manual specifications. Okay guys, the sound is just beautiful. It's melodious. The bass is really right and the ANC is great. It also has the ambient sound. So you can use it with the ambient or the transparency mode or even with the ANC. And the ANC, I would say it kicks in. It kicks in. I've used the Boat 411 ANC, that's the TWS one. In that, ANCs is not that powerful, but here I can definitely say the ANC is powerful. You can feel it when it kicks in. And even the transparency mode is really powerful. I am not joking. This might be the best ANC neckband headset under even 2000 rupees, I can say. The sound is just amazing. And I will mention one more thing, that like in the fullest volume, you can't really listen to it because the bass is just too much that it literally shakes your ears inside. I've been listening to it about on 80% volume. The 80% volume is more than enough. So I have listened to this and I would say yes, the sound quality is just amazing. At least as of right now, I can say that fittings and stuff are really amazing. Earlier, these ear tips used to feel a lot more bad, but here I have to mention that Boat has improved the ear tips quality and right now it does not feel uncomfortable in your ear. And once I gave them on my ear, I can definitely feel that like it's blocking out the sound even without ANC on. And under 1500 rupees, I can't really say that there is a competition to these. These just sound amazing. Bass is great and the punchiness of the vocals and stuff are really awesome. And the sound quality is just vast. It does not feel cramped or something. So yeah, the sound quality I have been totally liking over here. That's my first impressions of these. By the way, this is a mic sample of the headset itself and this is how it should sound actually. I have my PC turned on right in front of me so you can hear the fan noise a little bit. I'll keep quiet for a moment. And yes, this is how it sounds. With the ENX technology and stuff, the mic should be sounding great, but let me in the comments what do you guys think about the Boat Rockerz 333 ANC's mic. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please share this video with your friends if you want them to know about this latest Boat Rockerz 333 ANC or 330 ANC. For this price, I definitely feel you cannot really beat them. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys with this more awesome contents in the next video. Bye now.